Yeah, I'm gonna make a woodworking table. I'm gonna make a biplane. And, yeah, I'm deucing out from... Holy fucking shit. Holy shit, that's a lot of iron. Jesus Christ. And then I'm, deucing out, you know. I mean, not from the video, not IRL. I'm getting the fuck out of this spot. You know, I'm going somewhere else, somewhere better. Forgot to grab iron. So yeah, there we go. Bop it. Twist it. Pull it. You know what I mean, bro? That fucking goofy fuck on there. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, what am I doing? What's the deal? Biplane, you know, you make the hull. Make that with logs. Mahogany, bro, the spensives. Using the spensives on the plane. Yeah, it's fine. I don't really care. Oh, wait, I need 3 of them. So 3. Oh, 3. There we go. You gotta make an engine. Blast furnace, bro. Oh, that's the fucking... God damn it, bro. I don't even know if I want to make a fucking plane. People saw me make a plane, like, last week. Like, a month ago. Where's the spot? Like it was fucking... I mean, not the spot, bro, but... Deep frozen ocean. You know, like... It's the question I want to ask myself. Don't mind that. That's from the scripted thing. I gotta stop breaking the 4th wall. Did I go to that village? Down in the village? Who knows? Maybe. So honestly, I forget. But like this is where I fucking explored last time, right? The plains. Yeah, I could go get some animals. You know, I think I might want to be a fucking Iceman out in Iceland. You know, but not like Elon or Bjork. I was trying to remember how to say that name wrong, you know, because I don't want to say your name right. What a fucking beautiful lady, though. Speaking of the other only celebrity from Iceland, you know, yes, those are the only two I know, you know, other than Bjork. It's fucking Elon Musk, bro. I'm just looking for some animals, cause like, do I want to set up over here? You know, this actually might be like a pretty sick spot. Or there's that fungal jungle, cause like yeah, check that out. I'm actually good with fucking direction and like where the fuck I am. So unlike other fuckers on the playing this game on this platform. But yeah, look, fucking, it's behind that, bro. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna pull the map up again. There's a fungal jungle over there. I might wanna move in there, or you know, I could just fucking move over here. Moving over here would be pretty dope, you know, because I got different biomes all around me. I could set up some shit over in the icy place. You know, I could set up some shit here as the main base. Oh, fuck. Actually, what's the, oh, there's no difference. It just didn't stack right the first time. I didn't do that. I might have done that, but I didn't fucking do that. Yeah, it's Recapitator. You know how it fuck it is. You know how we play Minecraft over here at Too Smart Incorporated. You know, Productions, Too Smart Productions. Why did I say Incorporated? Because bitch, it's really just Too Smart Productions. But yeah, I was really hoping to see some animals. You know, because animals usually spawn in the plains, right? Or am I an idiot? Do I not know Minecraft? It's like dead ass. I was looking for some animals. I was looking for some goddamn animals. Oh no, 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 no. Don't crash. Don't crash. Yes. Yeah, so where would the base be? If I was making a base, where would it be? Right here actually looks pretty shit, pretty normal, but also pretty alright. It's gonna be a big huge fucking monstrosity, bro. You know, don't even fucking ask about it. It's gonna be a big huge monstrosity. You know, I love building. Except for roofs. Fuck a roof. I mean, he's gonna have a roof, but yeah, fuck a roof. God damn it! I just keep running back and forth, and I just missed the fucking jump. I was gonna go back to the boat, grab my shit, and come through. But wait, look. Is this spot? Is this even big enough, bro? I don't know. I don't know, bro. But we want it to be too big for this spot. You know, honestly. Not a little further. Like it's gonna be fucking massive. I'm just marking out the area. You know, probably use a different material, stone bricks, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, with whatever I decide on, it'll be pretty badass. You know, the badassery has to be at a 10. There we go. Looks like I gotta eat the calamari raw. You know, but fuck a squid. Who needs them anyway? Yeah, the skin looks badass though. You know? I was just sick of having a bad one. Hopping in the boat. Bitch, y'all. Hop in the boat. No, I'm just kidding. I could freestyle, bitch. I could freestyle like you real quick. You know? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, man. No, I'm not. Fuck. I'm just fucking with you. You know what I mean? Please don't unsubscribe. Nah, please don't. I swear I'm normal. Obviously, I'm about the most normal you could be. As anybody on the planet Earth. Look at this guy. Doesn't even have clothes on. What a fucking pervert. What a fucking pervert. Look at that. Not even shutting the door. Do I care? I don't fucking care. Alright, so what's going on? You know? Oh shit, hold up. Here's first thing of business. You know? Blech. Get rid of that fucking shit.